now we're gonna work on the wall kick, okay? And my advice is have a good tornado kick before you attempt this move. It's a similar motion. What I do is I approach the wall, generally running, but you don't have to. And as I approach the wall, I'm gonna jump off with my right leg. Now, this is my kicking leg, so if you're left-handed and want to kick with your left, just do the opposite. So as I jump off with my right, my left is chambering, okay? That's an exaggerated motion, but that's what's happening. Jump off with your right, chamber with your left, kicking with your right. It can either be a present kick or a round kick, depending on which situation. And this isn't really something I'd recommend for combat, though it has worked. It's worked for me in sparring as well. I've thrown it low. That's something we'll get into here in a second. So I'm jumping off, chambering with my left, kick. Let's do the technique slow motion. Here, jumping off with my right, chambering. There you go. If you want to do it faster, you can obviously do a smaller chamber, a smaller motion. For combat application, I like to throw it lower. Let's see that now. Jump up. That's it.